Alright, I've been asked how do I make tuna casserole. This is an old school recipe my mom used to make. Sometimes she would have switched it up. But you gotta boil the macaroni noodles, then you add your cheese, your queso, and today I got Monterey Jack cheese. Sometimes I'll use cheddar. You gotta stir that up. Alright, you got your bad boy. You stir that up a little bit. Oh, fogging up the camera. Alright, next thing you got to do is add your cream mushroom mix. Alright, then stir that up. Once it's all stirred up, this is not ready, but then you add your tuna. Once you get your tuna fish, you mix that up. You're going to put this in the oven for about 15 minutes at 325. Alright, that's all stirred up. Once that's all stirred up, once it's all stirred, you're going to put this in the oven for about 325 at 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes, in a oven safe dish that you could cook in. That's basically it. Alright, and you got to, if you like pepper, add some little black pepper in there. If you like jalapeno peppers, put jalapeno black peppers in there. One thing my mom used to do, which I never liked, was to top it off with potato chips. Anyhow, talk to you later. Alright, bye.